Good morning, children. We are learning the use of adjectives. In our previous class, we have learned 3 degrees of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. In this class, we are going to learn how to convert superlative degree into positive or comparative degree. We cannot convert positive degree into superlative and comparative into superlative, but we can convert superlative degree into positive or comparative. Let's see how to convert positive degree into superlative degree. By using no other in the beginning of the sentence, we can convert superlative degree into positive. Let's see how to do it. For example, Meena is the most beautiful girl in the class. So here Meena is compared to many girls, as we do in superlative degree. Superlative degree means one object is compared to many, and it is done in this sentence: Meena is compared to many girls in the class. But in positive degree, we don't compare. We just show similarity between two objects, people, or thing. So if comparison is there, we will use negative form of positive degree, and that's why we are using here no other in the beginning of the positive degree. After using no other, this phrase we will use in the class. We will use in the class. After in the class, as it is, we will use here verb, and when we use negative form of positive degree, we always use so as. We don't use as, we use so as. So this adjective will be between so as, and after verb is so beautiful as Meena. This is the positive form of superlative degree. Then say next example: Leena is the tallest girl in the class. In the same way we will do this. In the beginning we will use the phrase no other. It is positive degree, no comparison, similarity will be shown, but here we have to compare one thing to many. That's why we are using negative phrase no other. After that, in the class, verb is so as. Understood? So as. Why so as? Because the positive degree has negative form. So tall as. Adjective between so as Leena. So we have done here comparison. The next example is from your textbook, exercise number 6 on page number 28. June is the hottest month of the year. So in the beginning, no other month of the year is so hot as June. In this way, we can convert superlative degree into positive. Then let's see how to convert superlative degree into comparative. When we convert superlative degree into comparative, we can use here also in the beginning no other, or any other after than we can use. Let's see how to do. For example, June is the hottest month of the year. So in the beginning we can use here phrase no other. It is superlative degree, and June month is compared to all the months of the year. And in comparative degree we shows difference between two objects, but when we convert superlative degree into comparative, so superlative degree has many objects to compare with one. That's why we are using here no other. No other month of the year is hotter than June. It is one way through that we can convert superlative degree into comparative. Another way, as it is, we can write June is hotter, because it is form of comparative degree. We will not write the hottest. June is hotter than, followed by conjunction than. Then after than we will use any other month of the year. If you get confused using no other, as we are using no other in positive degree as well as comparative degree, and if it is confusing, you can use this way of converting superlative degree into comparative. It's very easy. June is, then remove this form of adjective and use here hotter, er. June is hotter, followed by conjunction than. Any other, you have to add here after than any other. And if you are using no other, in the beginning you can use, as we do in positive degree. But if you are using any other, after than you use any other, and after any other month of the year. So in both ways you can convert superlative degree into comparative. And I have used here adjective which have one or two syllables, so we can add here est or er. But if adjective has more than two syllables, so you know how to do. You have to use more or most with adjective. In superlative degree we use the most, and comparative degree we use more with adjective. I hope you understood how to convert superlative degree into comparative and positive. And based on this you can solve exercise on page number 28 and 29. So solve all the exercise, and thus we have completed the use of adjectives. Thank you.